I be on the asset social, man. Loyalty over royalty, y'all niggas know the vibes.
Fuck your killers beat, bitch.
This is VIVO X60 series is expected to have the regular VIVO X60 in addition to VIVO X60 Pro and VIVO X60 Pro Plus. The company originally launched VIVO X60 and VIVO X60 Pro in China in the late December 2020. However, the company bought the global versions of both VIVO X60 series models with the distinct specifications just earlier in this week. Read on to know about the VIVO X60 series launch live stream details, expected price and specification, and it is about 6.56 inch and processor is Qualcomm's Snapdragon, and it is about 12 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. Thank you for watching this video.